Hello everyone. This one is second part of redox reaction. Today I will discuss about this example. Okay, about example. This one is redox reaction. Some recap. Okay. This recap is that this red is reduction and ox is oxidation. Okay. This one is reduction and this one is oxidation. Okay. This is oxidation and reduction definition. All of you have to know. In previous video I already discussed. Oxidation means what? Oxidation is loss of electron by any species, and reduction is gain of electrons or electron by any species. Okay, this one. After that, oxidizing agent. Okay, oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, then what is oxidizing agent? This oxidizing agent means acceptor of electron or electrons. The oxidizing agent, this oxidizing agent is acceptor of electrons or electrons or electron, acceptor of electron or electrons. This one is oxidizing agent. And reducing agent is this reducing agent is donor of electron or electrons. So this one is oxidation. First is oxidation definition. Loss of electron is called oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. And acceptor of electron or electrons, this one is called oxidizing agent, and reducing agent is donor of electron or electrons. So one example, which part is oxidation and which part is reduction. So first of all, see one example is this example CuO, this is solid medium, plus hydrogen, this one is gaseous medium, to form CuS plus water. This one is the gaseous medium. Now which part is oxidation part and which part is reduction part? So first of all have to find out. So how to find out? So according to old concept you have to find out. See, this one is compound, copper oxide. This one is called copper oxide. The copper oxide changes to copper. The copper oxide changes to copper. Here see, this one is what? Reduction. Why this one reduction? See, CuO, oxygen. Here oxygen, copper oxide is there, but here is copper. So this is what? Reduction. So removal of oxygen is called reduction. This one is reduction. Okay, according to old concept. Here this hydrogen to this water. So this one is adding of oxygen is called oxidation. Okay, adding of oxygen. Or according to electronic concept, like this, have to find out. This one CuO, this one solid medium plus H2 gaseous medium to form CuS plus H2O gaseous medium. Now so what is the oxidation number of oxygen? Now oxidation number. The oxidation number of oxygen is oxygen is -2. Okay, -2. And now you have to find out this one, oxidation number of copper. So how to find out? Okay, oxidation number of copper. So suppose this one is X, like this have to do CuO, this is 2 minus and X. Okay, so X plus, here oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and algebraic sum is 0, because this is neutral compound. Okay, neutral compound, no sign, no charge, or no this cation charge or anion charge not there. Okay, so that's why this one is 0, algebraic sum is 0. So plus x plus minus minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 2. That means here this one is plus 2. Okay, this copper, the oxidation number of copper is plus 2. This copper plus, now you have to see here also copper is there. So this is if elementary state or free state or uncombined state, then oxidation number of any element or any molecule, this one is 0, oxidation number 0, because this one is what, elementary state or free state, that's why this one is 0. So here this copper to this copper, see, plus 2, oxidation number here plus 2 to 0, oxidation number plus 2 to 0, this one is what, oxidation or reduction. So plus 2 to 0, that means oxidation number decreases. So oxidation number decrease. Okay, oxidation number decrease by 2 electron. Okay, the oxidation number decrease. So this one is what, this one is oxidation or reduction, this one is reduction. If oxidation number decrease, that means this is reduction. Okay, according to electronic concept, here plus 2 to 0, so oxidation number decrease. If oxidation number decrease, this one is called reduction. Okay, now here hydrogen, this hydrogen is elementary state, hydrogens lie on elementary state, that means this oxidation number 0. Okay, elementary state or uncombined state or free state, that's why this one oxidation number is 0. So 0 to here, so now you can see here oxygen minus 2, the oxygen minus 2. Now this one is I have to find out then x, you don't know this one, that's why x. So see, this one is minus 2, here x, so x into how many hydrogen, 2 plus minus 2, and algebraic sum is 0, because this one is water. In water no charge, okay, no charge is present, that's why algebraic sum is 0. So x, 2x plus minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 2, then you can cut, then 1, x equal to plus 1. Then oxidation number of hydrogen, this one is plus 1. Okay, so 0 to plus 1. Now oxidation number of hydrogen, so hydrogen here 0, here plus 1. So 0 to plus 1, oxidation number increase or decrease? Here, so 0 to plus 1, that's why this oxidation number increase. So oxidation number increase. How much increase? Then only plus. Okay, 1 unit increase, that's why this one is oxidation. If oxidation number increase, that means this one is called oxidation. If oxidation number decrease, this one is called reduction. This is according to electronic concept, or according to this old concept, that means see, removal here to here. So removal of oxygen is called, reduction, that's why direct is reduction. Here hydrogen, here now is water and oxygen present, that's why adding of oxygen is called oxidation. Okay, this one. Another one, another example, this example is, see, this one is K, 2K in solid medium plus F2 in gaseous medium, arrow 2KF. Okay, now 2K, potassium, fluorine. So this one is elementary state. Okay, here also elementary state. This one K, elementary state or uncombined state or free state, that's why this oxidation number of potassium is 0. And here also this one is 0, because Fe2, this one also 0. So here this one is potassium, alkali metal, that's why plus 1. Okay, and here minus 1. So 0 to here, 0 to this F, so 0 to minus 1, so 0 to minus 1, oxidation number is decrease or increase? So 0 to minus 1, then oxidation number decrease. If oxidation number decrease, this one is called reduction. And here 0 to plus 1, this, now you can see here potassium, oxidation number is 0, 0 to plus 1, then oxidation number here increase. If oxidation number increase, this one is called oxidation. So 0 to plus 1, then oxidation number is what? increase. Okay, another one, see, suppose -2 to +2, here oxidation number increase or decrease? -2 to +2, so -2 to +2, then oxidation number what? Increase. Or +2 to, suppose -2, so +2 to -2, then oxidation number decrease, here reduction, here oxidation. Okay, so next video I'll discuss about another examples, okay, and that oxidation number, okay, this one. So thank you, and please subscribe my channels for upcoming videos.